My name is Vickie, and I'm going to do something that's called difficulty. Big word. What does that mean? I'm having trouble with something. Difficulty with small objects. I'm just going to pull something out of the air, and let's see what happens. Okay? Why would that be useful as an actor? You're using your imagination. You always have to use your imagination. Anytime you're doing storytelling of any kind, whether you're an actor on stage or on screen, or if you're writing this down, maybe you're a writer, maybe you like to write stories, even if you just like to tell stories to other people, you always have to use your imagination. And I'm reminded that it takes a lot of concentration to do something like this. How many candles did I have on my birthday cake? 4. That's right. What happened? Some of them blew out when they weren't supposed to, right? And then, I don't know, at the end, it looked like I had a bonfire. Oh well. Imagination.
I'm Jan, and unfortunately, I did not get a piece of Vickie's birthday cake. Because she had to throw water all over it to put the fire out. How do you like that? Anyhow, we're going to do another one of the same exercises. It's called difficulty, right? With small objects. Now, what's really fun about this is there's no plan. It's an improv. So you make it up as you go along. Here we go.
Thanks for watching DIY Arts Education.